The probe has intensified in Swati Maliwal's assault case as well. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's close aide Bibhav Kumar has been arrested for allegedly assaulting the Aam Aadmi Party's incumbent Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament. He has been taken to Mumbai now for the retrieval of data from his formatted iPhone. As for police investigation in this case, Bibhav's mobile phone was seized following his arrest, but it was found to be all formatted and cleared, as the police is investigating and alleging that would mean a lot of details would not emerge. Cops are claiming Bibhav transferred the data to some person or device in Mumbai before he formatted it, before he realized that he could be arrested. Apart from recording statements of all the staff and security officials at the CM residence, the DVRs have also been taken and they have been sent for further forensic examination. Delhi Lieutenant Governor jumped in to slam Arvind Kejriwal. He's called him evasive and dodgy. Delhi LG has further gone on to say Kejriwal's silence in this case reveals his own stance on women's safety.
हम पिछले कई दिनों से लगातार इस बात को सार्वजनिक मंचों पर रख रहे हैं कि जो स्वाति मालीवाल जी का झूठा आरोप है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक षड्यंत्र है, एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी है। स्वाति मालीवाल जी सिर्फ उसका चेहरा है। और आज जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी एलजी साहब को मैदान में उतार रही है, तो वो हमारे बयान को साबित कर देता है। ये इस बात को प्रूव कर देता है कि ये पूरा स्वाति मालीवाल जी का झूठा आरोप एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी की साजिश है।
असल में क्या है कि केजरीवाल साहब लोगों का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए अपनी टीम के द्वारा इस प्रकार के प्रश्न जानकर उठा रहे हैं। जो मूल बात है, जो पहला पीसीआर कॉल स्वाति मालीवाल ने किया था, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं सीएम रेजिडेंस पे हूं, और उन्होंने मतलब केजरीवाल ने अपने पीए विभव कुमार द्वारा मुझे बुरी तरह पिटवाया है। ये असल में अपनी जान बचाने के लिए, अपनी खाल बचाने के लिए इस प्रकार के आरोप और निराधार बातें स्वाति मालीवाल पर कर रहे हैं।
So watch this report to understand how a lot of digital footprint will be very significant to try and ascertain what exactly happened at Delhi CM residence that involved a close aide, a personal secretary and a sitting member of parliament. All three of them have known each other for decades. What unfolded, police is trying to find out.
Investigation into the alleged assault on AAP MP Swati Maliwal gains momentum. A police team has taken Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's aide and accused Bibhav Kumar to Mumbai. The investigators want to retrieve data from his formatted iPhone. They suspect that Bibhav Kumar may have destroyed crucial evidence on his phone while he was in Mumbai. On Monday, the police took Bibhav to the Chief Minister's residence to recreate the crime scene. He was arrested on Saturday from Kejriwal's residence 2 days after a case was registered against him for allegedly beating up Maliwal. According to sources, the police have so far found no footage of the assault. Sources say the CCTV footage submitted by the Chief Minister's office has gaps in it. Maliwal's charges of physical assault by Kejriwal's most trusted aide have ignited a political firestorm.
केजरीवाल जी रूठ जाएंगे कि भाई निजी आरोप करते हैं, मगर भाइयों बहनों मुझे बताओ, मुख्यमंत्री आवास में किसी राज्यसभा सांसद महिला का पिटाई हो, वो दिल्ली की महिलाओं को सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं क्या?
The AAP is on the back foot.
स्वाति मालीवाल जी की वीडियो फुटेज पूरे देश के सामने आ गई। पूरे देश ने देख लिया कि जो स्वाति मालीवाल ने अपने एफआईआर में लिखा था वो सरासर झूठ था। उस वीडियो फुटेज से स्वाति मालीवाल जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के षड्यंत्र का पर्दाफाश हो गया।
Maliwal has claimed that Delhi's ministers are spreading lies by calling her a BJP agent. She alleges that everyone in the party is being asked to leak her personal videos.
Delhi police has recorded the statements of all the staff present in the CM's residence on the 13th of May. It is a very crucial part of the investigation because based on this, when Bibhav Kumar's custody expires on Thursday, Delhi police will or will not seek further remand of Bibhav Kumar, and that will entirely depend on what they find in Mumbai in this course of investigation. With video journalist Ashwini Helen, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.